Scorpions, thank you so much for being here. This is going to be your love and general reading for the month of May 2020 for Sun, Moon and Rising signs of Scorpions. Scorpions, thank you for your support, your likes and shares. And if you want a reading, please write to my email address, which is below the link. And I hope you all are doing well at this point in time. Let's get started and see what is there for you for the month of May. Now, your first crystal card is Tourmaline. And it says smudging and root chakra. So there was a need for you, or there will be a need during May to protect yourself from negative energies. Probably, you might be with people, stuck with negative people, or you might even have negative thoughts, like you're not thinking anything positive. You might feel down with your energy, and there's a need for you to protect. And black tourmaline, for those who believe in it, it's a good protective stone crystal that which is very common, and you can easily find them. It's good to carry with you in some form during this time, my lovely Scorpions. The advice card, you got Archangel Michael. He's very beautiful for those who believe in angel, very supportive angel. So you can focus on him because he is going to be with you and going to be very supportive during the month of May for my lovely Scorpions. And then you got Fertility Pan. So this is a card, when you feel stuck or you're not getting much out of the house at the moment. Everybody is doing that because we are not able to go out. But it is saying that you're struggling and you want to get out, and there's a need for you to, get out to bring your life back. And this is something everybody's waiting, but there's a need for you at least to get out for exercise, or, you might feel very lonely and stuck during this time when you get this card. Maybe there's a need for you to communicate with people and keep in touch with everybody that loves you and you love them. There's a need for you to even go for that walk, or when you get the opportunity to, maybe visit a park or something like that, or even being in the garden if you're not able to get out and you're feeling locked down. Still, for those who are in lockdown, it's a good idea just to at least be in the garden during this time. Now with the Lenormand card, you got the Anchor, the Man, and the Park. Looks like there is a man of interest during this time. This person is very matured, very kind and generous person. If you are a man, this could be you, looking for work opportunities. So there is a luck, good opportunities coming. However, this one involves a lot of people. So you might be working in a big company or getting an opportunity to work in a big industry or business area. Or this could be you're the boss and you're giving that opportunity to others. But I see there is some kind of opportunity coming, and regarding a man helping you for some, or this could be you. For the others, if it is a relationship, this person might be very generous and mature and very kind-hearted man who is doing well at work and have to take certain path in his life. He might have to travel and do things, and a busy person. But this person is very good person to be with for those who have a partner like this. Now let's see what else is there reading for my lovely Scorpions. Let's see what's your reading like. So you got Page of Cup reverse. So this could be, some child in your life, someone who needs your help. Maybe they're not happy at this point in time, wanting support from you. This could be even a partner who's a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, who might be at a distance and confused, and they might give you some trouble during this time. There might be lack of understanding or some immaturity issues with this person. Now this could be, as I said, a child for someone who needs your help. Maybe they're not going to school because they're locked down, and they might be mischievous at this point in time. There is some injustice as well. If you're in a court case or custody, it might be prolonged or delayed because of the COVID-19. But this could be related to a child again. If you're in a custody issue, there is a child might be wanting to be with you or the partner, and this child is struggling and maybe, internally needs, going through battles in his life, he or she, so needs your help here. This could be a separation which involves children here. and this can cause some difficulty for a child here that I see. For some, this might not apply to all, but I see this injustice which is related to a partner as well for some, who has done wrong and it's not going in their favor as well. Let's see what else is falling for you. Too many cards as well. I'll take these two. Feeling stuck. You might feel stuck and you're mentally feeling more stuck because you don't know how to move in a situation. But hang in there, my lovely Scorpions. This might be because of, what is happening in this world, but you feel that you're stuck more. There is some small opportunity coming for some of you. That's why you need to protect and get out, or, find ways to do things. But there is some kind of a small opportunity with work or money is coming to you. And look at this, there is victory and truth coming out for my lovely Scorpions. This could be also an air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra coming to you, and offering you some money or helping you in some way. Or this could be you have to cut off certain things in your life during this time. But I feel some kind of victory or is coming to you, or truth is coming for you. You might be, have to be patient during this time and wait for things to happen. Maybe you feel like, you're not able to move or do things, but there's a need for you to be a little bit more patient during this time and wait for things to happen. Might be some delays in, bringing things together or things to happen during this time. But look at this, there is some celebration coming for you and a victory is coming. There is, if you're waiting for money, that's coming. For some, if there's been a struggle with some custody issues and you're struggling, suddenly there might be some kind of thing working in your favor. This could be you, getting out and celebrating with your friends, uniting with your friends after a long time and having a, lunch or a drink together, and there's double victory here. So definitely something is working out at the end of the month to your favor. So if you're in some kind of struggle here, it might all look bad and you might feel that you're helpless, but things are slowly moving to celebration and victory here. Very nice to see, my lovely Scorpions. If you are struggling in a relationship or custody issues, finally you're getting something in favor of you and winning it. For the others, if it is a work matter, there is some injustice and you're struggling, you're cutting off people, you're being patient, and so finally you're winning, you're getting what you want. Maybe you leave a job and go to another one, or suddenly you get the opportunity you want. So, which is very nice. Let me take one more card, but so far, it's too many. Okay, let me take these three. Look at this, Empress. So you're feeling happy, you're very motherly, giving that, love to your children, your partner. You're feeling balanced at home at the end of the month. You need to work hard. Maybe you're feeling lazy, or someone here is, struggling at work and doesn't have the mood to work. This could be you or the partner here. And this could be, again, relationship struggle or making decision regarding a work situation, maybe to leave or to go or to find something better here. For some of my Scorpions, you want to get out. You don't want to be single. You might want to even find a partner or want to get back to work because you want to make more money. For some of my Scorpions, I see that. Let's see what is the relationship cards here. Finance and career. So there is some interference with money matters. For some of you, this can be because of all the struggles. You might find it hard to pay bills, and there might be difficult with what you're doing. So there is difficulties with career opportunities for some of you, interfering during this time, and you might be struggling to find a job or to get the money you want during this time. And children are your focus. As I said, the children is playing a lot of game, time in during the month of May. You might be spending more time with the children, and you want to give them a lot of opportunity and love during this time. But there is also, for some, you might be wanting to conceive and you're struggling because the timing is not right for some as well. So children is a focus for some of my Scorpions. You might even want to see children and you're not able to see because you're stuck at home and you know, isolated during this time and missing children, and the children are missing you. Make an effort for some, you know, if you have things that you can improve a situation with the child, you know, make an effort, because it says make an effort with the child, you know, give more importance. So if you think there is something that the child wants and you're not agreeing for it, at least, you know, think it over and give them a chance. In regard to relationship, there is someone unrequited love has come. So maybe one of you are focusing more on money and career, and there's someone losing interest. For some, as I said, this is a custody issue. So one person likes the other and the other person is not interested anymore. They might have a relationship or interest somewhere else. Calling upon soulmate for those singles. Soulmate is coming, so be patient. You might have to travel. The relationship might be at a distance for some. You might be dreaming to meet with this person, or you might be even making plans. There is a wedding, or this could be an announcement in the family. Someone might want to get married and they're just waiting for the right time. This is two people coming together. You might want to take the next step or move in together, or even you know, change a resident or a place here for some, thinking of making some major changes to be with someone. Or this could be after the separation. You might want to move back to a certain area now. Let's see what the money cards are for you. Good fortune is coming, my lovely Scorpion. So money is coming to you. There's no need to worry about money with the first card. Let me see what's the other one. Help from a loved one. So if you are struggling, there's someone here ready to help you. If you ask for help, there is help coming, but there's also good fortune coming. This can come as a job opportunities for some as well. Let's see. What is your angel messages? Options. So you have options, my lovely Scorpion. So you might be, you know, wanting to change your career, or there is other opportunities available for you at this point in time. So take the opportunity. This one wants to come and practice. There's a need for you to, if you are changing your career, to have some kind of, you know, training or something like that during this time, and you need more practice with that opportunity. In a sense, so it's saying that don't be too much struggling with your, you know, with your thoughts and ideas. Just leave it and, you know, be joyful and be childlike during this time, which is important, you know, and lead. So if you're struggling and waiting for other people to help, this is a good time for you to lead and make things happen, because you need to lead here and, you know, take the opportunity to be the leader. Reconsider something. So if you thought of something, this could be a child matter for someone, as I said, or someone who's also, you know, immature, or if you're separating, you know, because of a child, you might have to reconsider a situation here. This could be child matter again. So ask. Angels are waiting to help. All you have to do is ask during this time and you will receive what you want. This is a good time to manifest. Nutrition. This is a good time to eat healthy, my lovely Scorpion. Some of you might be bored, feeling down, and eating a lot of unhealthy stuff. And this is a need for you to eat healthy food, you know, homemade food. Make more salads and nuts and more fresh vegetables than eating more carbs. There's a need to be sensitivity has come, so maybe there's a need for you to understand somebody else in a higher level. This could be a child again, because there's a lot of child playing during this time, because there is a child here who's emotionally going through a lot, and you might have to help this child. This could be your own child or somebody else's child, like your sisters, siblings, or brothers, kids as well. Heart chakra. So this is a need for you to, you know, or you might be focusing more on relationship during this time, and you might be very compassionate towards people, or it's asking you to be more compassionate during this time. Embrace, Scorpio, there's a need for you to embrace everything, you know, and bring life together, and there's a need for you to manifest things, and you can manifest during this time. and author. So there's might be times that you're helping your children and reading and, you know, assisting your children very much during this time, spending more time with people. And look at this, joy and stability is coming. As I can see, there are struggles in the beginning of the May, and then you will find that you're more celebrating and more happy and more joyful during the end of the month, with some kind of victory is coming or something is working in your favor, my lovely Scorpions. Take care and please comment so I know what's going on. Bye for now.